G'day, I'm Alkis Psaltis. I'm an Associate Professor in Ear, Nose and Throat Surgery. Personal protective equipment is very important to reduce the chances of you contracting COVID-19 from an infected patient. We will now outline the appropriate PPE for taking a COVID-19 swab. A hand wash or the use of an alcohol rub with a concentration of ethanol above 70%. You will need safety glasses, or if you wear glasses yourself, you can use these as well. You'll need an appropriately fit-tested N95 or P2 mask. You'll also require an eye protection in the form of a face shield. 2 sets of gloves will be required, undergloves and outer gloves, as well as a gown. Now we'll go through the steps. The first step is hand hygiene. We recommend putting 2 pumps of the ethanol-based rub into the palm of the hand and then coating both palms. The hands are then turned over and the outer aspects of the hand are also rubbed down. It's important also to rub between the webs of the fingers and the webs of the thumb. We also include the wrists and finally the fingertips in order to ensure that the whole hand has been decontaminated. Following the first step of hand hygiene, we recommend removing glasses if you wear them. This is important because we will then apply the fit-tested N95 mask to ensure a seal around the face. Now the mask is applied, and as you can see here, we have a strap that sits on the top part of the head and one that sits lower down to ensure a tight but comfortable feel. Glasses can then be put on if you wear glasses. If you don't wear glasses, this is a step that we recommend putting on formal eye protection. We recommend putting on the face shield to add extra protection to the face. Hand hygiene is then performed again in the same way that it was performed at the beginning of this demonstration. And these are the undergloves that will go beneath the gown. Pull the gloves up slowly and ensure that there are no rolls in the gloves. Once the gloves have been put on, we can place a gown appropriately around the neck and the waist, where it is secured in both these locations. Now the outer gloves are put on. The gloves are pulled over the gown's cuff, again avoiding rolls. At this time, if you do have someone available, it's always good to have someone check to make sure that everything has been put on correctly.